In this video, we'll show you how to change the front interior door handle on your Ford F-150. You can find it on CarParts.com via the link in the description. To change your car's interior door handle, you have to take off the door trim. Using a car trim removal tool, unclip the plastic trim panel from the door panel by prying it with the tool. Using a socket wrench, an extender, and a 7mm socket, remove the bolt holding the door panel on the door opening side. Using the car trim removal tool, pry out the power window mirror switch plastic trim. You can use a flathead screwdriver. Remove the power connector. To do this, push on the tab and pull on the connector. Then, using the same tool, remove the plastic cover from the door handle. Using a ratchet, an extender, and a 7mm socket, unscrew the two retaining bolts. Remove the bolts using a magnetic extender. Using a hook, lift the plastic cover located under the door handle. Using a ratchet, an extender, and a 7mm socket, unscrew the two retaining bolts. Next, using the same tool, unscrew the two lower door panel retaining bolts. You can now unclip the door panel by pulling it towards you and lifting it slightly to release it from the top track. You can use a car trim removal tool. Hold the panel so as not to pull on the various cables. Disconnect the electrical connector by pressing the tab. You can now unclip the door opening mechanism cable. Then remove the panel.
For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now.
Using a Phillips screwdriver, unscrew the 4 door handle retaining screws. Then remove the handle. You can order the interior door handle used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Take the door handle. Put it back in its place. Then screw it back on. Bring the inner door panel closer and put the cable back in place. Reconnect the central locking connector. You can now put the door panel back in place, inserting it into the top track first. Press the entire door panel against the door to lock all the clips. Then, screw the lower door panel retaining bolts back on. Screw the 2 holding bolts located under the door handle back in. Replace the plastic cover. Screw the 2 handle retaining bolts back on. Put the door handle trim back on. Reconnect the power window mirror switch connector. Put the controls back on, inserting the front part first. Screw the retaining bolt on the door opening side back on. You can now clip the plastic trim back onto the door panel. Operation complete.
Quality parts, price right, CarParts.com.